Hey guys, my name is Amelia and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be coloring my hair. First I'm going to bleach it and then I'm going to be dyeing my hair half red, half orange. So I'm going to walk you through everything and we're going to see how it looks in the end. So this is my hair, my locks. I've been growing them for 2 years. Yep, here we go. Okay, so I have a shower cap on my head. I'm just letting the bleach sit for 30 minutes. I know that my roots are a little dark, so after I wash it out, I'm going to see if I'm going to need to do another thing of bleach. But then we'll just come back and just check and just see how it looks, so be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. I have my roots redone. I know it looks orange and whatever, but I have a feeling that once I put that color back on, it's gonna make it look nice and even. So yeah, we're gonna start with this half and we're gonna do the bright red, and we are using Manic Panic. So we're gonna be using Manic Panic Rock and Roll Red for this half. This is the color. I'm gonna open it. This is the color. So yeah, we are about to start that right now. half of it red, and I'm about to start doing the other half orange. This is the color that I'm using. A nice bright orange. It's called Psychedelic Sunset by Manic. So I'm gonna apply this, put another bag, and then let it sit, and then wash it out, and we'll see the final result. So right now I have one half red, one half orange. I'm just gonna let it sit for a while. I think I'm gonna put like one shower cap over both so that the middle part gets warm. And then I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna do a retwist, and then we'll see the final results at the end. If you've already seen my other video, my wash and retwist, that's how I do it. I'll probably do another tutorial in the future, but for now, yeah, this is just the color. Let's see how it turns out. Hopefully it's good. If not, oh well. But yeah, we're just gonna wait a little bit and see how it comes out. See you then. So these are the final results. I'm really loving it so far. This is the orange side, this is the red side. Over time I'll probably do it a few more times just to make sure all of it is even. It's very hard with Locs to, you know, get the colors to stay in, but I think I did a decent job. I really like it. I hope you guys can stick around for more videos. I really like making hair content. Maybe you guys can suggest some things I could do, or I'll just think of some crazy things to do with my locks. Yeah, this was a fun journey, and I hope you guys will like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for coming to my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye. Peace.